Hi everybody, welcome back. I'll show you guys how Tinkercad works. Tinkercad is a platform, an online platform where you can model something in 3D and then you can print it out as a 3D replica using a 3D printer. So this platform is often used so that you can create 3D replicas as a result of, printing the model that you model. For example, this cat that I just made. So to create a new design or model, click on the create icon on the top right and then click on 3D design to start creating the model. Once every component has been loaded, you'll see a plane that will be the base of the 3D model. So you can go to basic shapes. You can either drag this simple sphere, this simple cylinder, this simple pyramid, even this paraboloid, torus or donut, just like so. Even this, this icosahedron, just like this. And then you can even make it larger by dragging this corner. You can simply just drag this corner so that the size is even. Drag this one. While holding the shift key so that it's enlarged in using the constant scale for each of the dimensions of this icosahedron. Same goes for this cylinder, torus, sphere as well, just like so, pyramid, and this hyperbolic geometry, I forgot the name. Well, if you want to drag a 3D object upwards, simply drag this one. Up, down, up, down. Okay, same goes here. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Alright, if you want to rotate a 3D object to the right, for example, drag this one to the right. If you want to rotate it using a known angle, more like the basic angles, you simply drag it to the right but inside of the circle. But if you want to rotate it like without the limitation of the angles that are well known in mathematics, simply drag it outside of the circle, to the left, to the right, something like that. If you want to rotate it to the front and to the back, rotate this one. Drag the arrowhead to the front, to the back. If you want to rotate it like this, like so that it spins, drag this one. Drag this one. Then rotate it just like this. Pretty easy, isn't it? So if we go to settings, and then we increase the zoom speed. Alright, it zooms pretty quickly now. In comparison with this zoom speed. So it's slower now. Pretty easy, eh? So let's add some more shapes actually. Go here and then you have creatures, vehicles, structures, hardware, electronics, these components as well, balls, and so on. If you want to add, let's say, this character, drag it into this, and then you can simply enlarge it. Hold the shift key. No. Hold the shift key. Just like this one. So that it's much taller. And then you can even add a ball. So let's say if we do this, fun and games, then we have this soccer ball, drag it, and then we make it smaller, hold the shift key so that the scaling is uniform, just like this. Alright, now this is the area that will be printed out, which is encapsulated in the area covered by the workplane, that's to say. And we can also label every 3D objects that we have done. So click here, for example, and then label it here. Put the label here, and then let's say we type something like George's model, so that when it's printed out, it can be, you know, given to George, the model that will be printed out. Also, let's say if we want to type in donut, and then click on this one, and then let's say if this icosahedron model will be given to Samantha, type Samantha, just like this. Pretty easy, isn't it? The ruler tool, so that, you know, you can actually determine the size of the model that you'll be printing out afterwards. We can even use the grid one. The grid. Hold on. So that you know the size of a face or something. For example, this face of this soccer ball. Alright, now that's pretty much it. That's the video about how Tinkercad works if you want to model something in 3D and then you want to, you know, print out the 3D model. For example, the cat that I modeled. The tutorial for this is available in a video where the link is located in the description box below. You can even add text if you want to. I just knew. Can change the text to, let's say, cat. Or meow. Change the font even to sans serif, sans mono, even serif. Up to you. You can even adjust the level of the extrusion. The text will also be able to be printed out as well. You can even increase the segments so that it doesn't look so crispy. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Meow.